Hello my friends. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a sad emotional electronic music with violin. Emotional electronic music with violin. So please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more tutorials. First we have a deep violin melody. Then we have an acoustic guitar chord. And here is a vocal melody. Now we have the bass line. Alright, let's go to the drums. Here are the top loops. Kick and claps. Together. And for the effects, breath. Impact. Stabs. Sweeps. Now we have an ambience violin. A very bad violin here. I'm funny, you know? And a harmony. Then this drum fill. Another one here. And we're done. Let's see the final result.